Day one garden experiment update. The Murnongs are looking really happy just 12 hours after being planted into their new spot. This flower's opening. And a new little flower coming there. I wanted to share this with you because it's quite exciting. Just 24 hours after transplanting the Murnongs, I have a beautiful seed head. Check it out. Look at that beauty. Woo! So excited. Propagation soon. So I've been researching the Murnong seeds, and turns out I need to wait until these fluffy tops go white. If you have a look with my hand behind, you can see some of them are starting to go white, and then I'm going to have to pick off those seeds before they blow away with the wind.